Kobi. What the fuck is that?
Hey, that foot true is fucking gay. Oh yeah. Got the side skirts, just picked it up. Front and rear lip kit. So I unpackaged everything, mocked up. This back over here, they didn't have the color code. So I'm gonna go online, get the paint matching. Probably gonna paint it myself. But it's looking pretty good. Fitment's nice. One main thing, I didn't want to get like replicas, not only because it's replicas, but I just like the quality of it. This has like plastic liner and everything. I mean, you could do that yourself, but shit, that's a hassle. Everything comes up perfectly. Let me show you the packages real quick. So the side skirts came with all of these. The front and rear spoilers came with some more stuff. If you guys are curious how much everything costs. Got everything all hooked up, looking nice. Hopefully it stays on. Put the clip in. Where's the clip at? Oh, shit, this way. Screw in. Everything looking good. I don't think it's gonna go nowhere. We on the YouTube with it right now. My boy Edgar out here plastic dipping. That's not Edgar. He look like Edgar though. That shit's sick though. What's that? What is that? Text it real quick.
Peeling, fuck you.
It's peeling? Yeah. It's getting a little itchy, huh? Yeah. Damn. Alright, so it's another day. About to get these side skirts on. Need to pull the whip into the garage real quick.
6.5 hours later.
So this is gonna be the side without it. Alright, so this is gonna be the side with it. Had to get new VTEC stickers, but everything else looked good. I got the homie Kayla right here. What my car used to look like. No lip kit. Got the sticker on the side. I got the front lip kit. I need to reorder some stickers because the sticker only cover is like showing like this much. Yeah. Clean though, I still need to put it on the back, but. Morning everybody. I'm going to be painting and hopefully installing my rear under spoiler. I'm pretty sure you're asking, True, ain't you already throwing the front and the side and you're not gonna show that? Yeah, I'm not gonna show that mainly because that shit took too long, man. It took way too long to install the side skirts, and I don't know, the footage looked a little boring. There's already a few videos up on YouTube anyways. Mine's not any different from theirs. Theirs would be better explaining it, so I wouldn't even dare to try. I was watching the College Hills Honda video. This is how it came out. First try. I never had any experience with any sort of lip kits, side skirts, whatever you want to call it. But I think for my first try, it came out pretty well. I don't know if it's going on right or if I'm spraying it right. That's how it looks. I'm gonna do 2 more coats. One problem I've been running into is I'm spraying it. Oh fuck, I got it on my hands too. I need to take that shit off. When I spray it, it likes to move like this. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna go take this off real quick. So I just finished up with the 3rd coat. Looking really solid. So it's really not that much in these cans. So keep in mind, if you're gonna do this yourself, you should buy at least whatever you think you need, plus another can. Because I thought this one is gonna be good, but I just cut it close enough.
What the fuck is that?
Yes, sir. Looking good though. Looking good. One can later, this thing's completely empty, so it's just enough what I needed. I don't know if it's because I didn't add the clear coat yet, but it does look a little dark. Hair it over the phone, it looks the same, so I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. But right now, the next step is let it dry for 1 more hour. We're gonna get straight to the clear coating. For anybody curious, I'm not a professional. Did have some runs. You can see one right there. I actually touched it right there. It's okay. Not the most perfect, but I'm pretty satisfied with the results. All right, man, so the time has passed. Now it's time to get to the magic. All right. Oh, am I supposed to do it this way or? Oh, this way sounds right too. Damn, motherfucker. Now we just faking. I'm gonna do one final coat. I'm gonna call it a day right there. It really adds to the finish. It's pretty good. You can see my reflection. Just want to be really careful spraying it too far because you don't want it to go on dry, and you definitely don't want to have any runs.
Alright, back.
Damn. Yes. Sir. Hello.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Damn. Hello car go crazy.
Damn, that's like ready for off-road.
So it's another day. It's cold as shit. I don't even got a sweater. I need to throw on a sweater, but I let the shit cure. And my dumbass, look, my dumbass done fucked up. Look at that. You see these? It's because I didn't let it cure long enough and I just fucking placed it down. Luckily, you don't see a lot of it. You only see some of it right here, but shit, that's okay. Everything else looking solid though. It looks, I'm actually really glad on how it came out, just doing it by myself. Pretty proud of myself, to be honest. This one, it don't have no marks. So I'm gonna throw it all on the car, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks after. Let's get straight to that. Quick look around how it looks before. Completed. What y'all think about this? So we at Tijuana's Tacos. Yes, sir. I think Tijuana's Tacos, something. I don't know. The line getting longer. About to eat something good. Good eats. Good eats. Little bars. It's cold as hell outside. Barely even cut. What's going on? Fat boy. See the menu. What's going on with the menu? They got, damn, $2.50 a taco, what the fuck? Yeah. Yes, sir. Like long as hell. And so, if you guys ever have a problem with overspray on your rubber parts, silicone lubricant, it'll come right off with a breeze. Jaden got some new rims
For the vlog.
for the vlog. Say what's up, Jason. Gang. Oh yeah, Luis up in here. Justino, yo, come on. Cord. I'll still burn his shit though. Quick little update. And now it's starting to come together. In the daytime, look at this. Paint scratch, this shit does not even fucking match. What the fuck is that? Like, bro, fucking 50 Shades of White. Oh well, it's the 50 Shades of White Honda. Anyways, let me just finish up the other side. We got Kelly,
Just BMX bike.
what we doing?
That's it. Gonna pop a wheelie.
Pop a wheelie? Huh, 6'9"? You fucking with 6'9"?
Nah.
This is just bit mining Dogecoin right now. Nah, he's just looking up gay porn.
To me, you ain't important, so I won't pick up my phone. They pick up when they see I just got the size on the toe. Or the way you dig second, hope you on this payroll. If you 60 in your car, tryna follow us home. First time I approve, someone made us my.
Alright, man, so did a local pickup, Alla lighting, out here in Chino. Got me brake lights and reverse lights. My lovely assistant gonna test the brakes. Oh, it works. It works. So this is what it looks like before. And then if we look at it, obviously the left side is a lot brighter. So we got the first light on. All right, go hit it. Look like Iron Man's chest heart thing in my tail light. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is the light bulbs I use, if y'all curious.
You cut G.
Hey, we night ride in. Boy, my head is ashy. Huh? Take off your little earmuffs and put it on over.
No, they're so much better.
Hey, zip it up all the way.
Is it not?
No. Now that shit is. Man, it's been probably a cool like couple weeks and anything going on. So there was a car meet, but it was pretty whack. I got my second set of LEDs to complete the back end. Damn. That white light though. Sheesh. Now I'm gonna do the quick these lights and then call it a wrap.
Why is it right by?
Bruh.
You two, now what? Now what?
Hey, that's what true is fucking gay.
I'm sorry. No fault.
Say bitch.
I haven't called no bitch. That's fucked up.
Dinner for a red, that's a big 8. 180 shots in his car, we ride with 6 Drake. I sold 4 E's and 3 P's, that's a mixtape. Bro got 5 chains on right now, he getting big paid.
5 chains on me right now, I'm getting a lot of change. Put an umbrella.